Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Metapixel for affiliate conversion tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Metapixel for affiliate conversion tracking, start by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager. Navigate to the Events Manager by selecting it from the main menu. In the Events Manager, look for the option to add a new data source. Choose Web, then click on Get Started. From the list of options, select Metapixel. You will be prompted to name your pixel. Choose a name that reflects its purpose for easy identification. Next, enter your website URL to help Facebook provide setup instructions. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. You'll be presented with different installation methods. Select the option that best suits your needs, either manually or through a partner integration. If you choose manual installation, you'll receive a code snippet. Copy the pixel base code provided to your clipboard. Open your website's backend or access your website builder. Paste the pixel base code into the header section of your website. Ensure this code is placed on every page you want to track. After implementing the pixel code, return to the Events Manager. Use the Test Events feature to check if your pixel is functioning correctly. Visit your website in a new tab to trigger the pixel. In the Test Events section, you should see the activity logged in real time. Once confirmed, you can set up conversion tracking. Select Add Events within the Events Manager. Choose from the pixel. You'll see various events you can track. Select relevant events for your affiliate conversions, like purchase or lead. Customize the parameters if needed to capture additional. After configuring, click on Confirm to finalize the event setup. Make sure to set your event conditions and value for accurate tracking. If applicable, add the associated URL for your affiliate links. Save your changes and return to the main dashboard. Monitor your pixel's performance using the analytics provided in the Events Manager. Regularly review your tracking setup to ensure optimal performance for your affiliate campaigns. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.